Hello, and welcome to my video on simplifying exponents. My name is Sultan, and I will be teaching you how to simplify exponents. This video will talk about exponents, how to simplify expressions with exponents, as well as vocabulary and rules that you must follow. Welcome to part 1 of this video. I hope you have fun, and I hope you learn a lot about exponents. An exponent is a number that shows how many times the base number should multiply itself by. For example, 5 to the power of 2 means that the base 5 shouldn't be multiplied by itself twice. This means that 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 5 times 5, or 25. Base. Now the base is a number that the exponent is on. For example, the base in 5 to the power of 2 is 5. The exponent 2 tells the base 5 to be multiplied by itself twice. Now the laws of exponents are rules or laws that you must follow to simplify the exponents correctly. Term. Now a term is a single number, variable, or product of numbers and variables. Now terms are separated by addition and subtraction signs in an equation and in an expression. Now like terms are terms with the same variable and are raised to the same power. An exponent shows how many times the base must be multiplied by itself by. Like in 9 to the power of 6, 9 should be multiplied by itself 6 times. So 9 to the power of 6 means 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9. Now 5 to the power of 9 is another example, which is shown below. As you can see, there are 9 5s in 5 to the power of 9. Like terms are terms raised to the same power and with the same variable. You can add and subtract two terms if they are both like terms. 6x and 7x are both like terms because they are raised to the same power and have the same variable. 2x and 4y are not because they do not have the same variable. Now the laws of exponents, as I said, are rules that you must apply to simplify exponents correctly. The chart on the left shows all of the laws and some examples. Now an expression, as you know, is a combination of individual terms and operations. Now, expressions do not have equal signs, and you cannot solve equations or expressions without the value of each exponent. Now an expression and equation. Now, in an expression you do not have the answer, and expressions do not have equal signs. Now equations, you do have the answer and equal signs. Welcome to part 2 of this video. Now, if you thought whatever I taught you in part 1 was all you need to know, you're wrong. Use what you have learned in part 1 to simplify these two expressions. Now, you might want to pause the video. Now, here are the answers to the review and their explanations. Did you get them all right? Now, when a student has the problem in parentheses 4x to the power of 8, their answer is 4x to the power of 8. Now that is wrong because the 4 was also in the parentheses. The correct answer is 4 to the power of 8 times x to the power of 8. Can you simplify this expression? You just have to add the like terms and simplify all of the exponents and you'll get the right answer if you do it correctly. Now the easiest way to remember the laws of exponents is to make a table like the one shown above and use that to help you memorize all of the laws. Now, when you have an equation like y equals x squared and you want to plot that on a graph, you'll get a curved line or a parabola like the one shown below. Here is a review of the whole video. Can you simplify these two complicated expressions using the laws of exponents? Now you might want to pause the video to get a really good look at both expressions. Here are the answers to the review. Did you get them all right and use the laws of exponents like I told you to? Thank you for watching, and I hope you had fun watching this video, and I hope you learned a lot about simplifying exponents and simplifying expressions.